Hey friends, I'm Anna Helman and I'm here with another quick tip. Let's take a look at it. Today's tip is perfect if you put tape onto a piece of paper that you decide, oh, I shouldn't have put tape there, or you have something like a sticker. It's sticky on the backside and you decide you want to pop it up instead. If you need to cover up that stick, we are going to talk about this. I know I do this sometimes with my big flat pieces like this. I'm so used to just putting tape on them. And then I think, oh, I want to pop that up with dimensionals. But now I have that tape. And if I put this on my card just like this, even though I have dimensionals in these spots, this is going to stick and it's going to sink down. So how can we cover up that sticky here or on a sticker so that we can pop it up the way we want it to? The key is an embossing buddy. This comes as part of our embossing editions toolkit, but I also have a video on how you can make one of these yourself. I'm going to link to that in the video description. You can take a look at it, but it has a little bit of powder inside. This is made to remove static or moisture from your cards before you do heat embossing so that that extra embossing powder is not going to stick to your card in places you don't want it to. So if you can get just a little bit of that powder to come out just enough to cover up the stick so you can feel it, test it out. Yes, I got that. We got the stick removed. And now we can finish our card. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love this Sunflowers embossing folder I used on this card. And we can finish it up right away. I will also link to a video on how to do this beautiful technique with any embossing folder if you're interested. That's it for today's quick tip. Thanks for being here. Subscribe if you're new. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.